This question comes from Houston, Texas. Is there such a thing as a universal acrylic nail powder that works with any monomer? Well, the short answer is no, and here's why. Now, I really love monomer liquid and powder technology, which we call liquid and powder technology. I think it's superior overall. Over all the nail systems, when you consider the tremendous versatility that it has on many types of nails. This type of nail coating technology is more technically challenging to use correctly, and there are many things to know so that they can be used wisely and safely. Nail powders, aka polymer powders, contain varying amounts of benzoyl peroxide, or BPO, which is what controls the curing process. Small changes in the amount of BPO creates big changes in how nail products will cure. Just 0.1% change in BPO concentration can cause a significant change in the amount of cure. Too little BPO leads to undercuring. Too much BPO causes overcuring, which can often be seen as overheating, brittleness, and discoloration. While undercuring can create filings that can cause adverse skin reactions, including skin sensitivities that can become permanent. This sensitivity is caused by trapped monomers within the filings that can be left over from when too much monomer liquid is used in the bead. Now, prolonged or repeated exposure to this can increase skin sensitivities. Just as UV gels must be properly cured, so must all types of artificial nail coatings, including monomer liquids and powders, and colored polymer powder products. They need to have the correct concentration of BPO to properly cure. Now, what's the best way to achieve this? The best way to make sure you're using the correct powder is to use the one that was intentionally designed for the monomer liquid of your choice, and use it in the correct ratio of monomer to polymer. That will usually mean a medium dry bead, never wet or runny. The runnier the bead, the more monomer will be left in the nail coating. And then it will be more likely that the dust, when the nails are filed a few weeks later, will contain monomer that can cause problems. This uncured monomer may be trapped inside these dusts and released when the enhancement is filed. Mixing different brands of powders in blends or intentionally using the wrong powder can alter the amount of BPO in the bead, and this can significantly increase the risk of adverse skin reactions for nail professionals, so this should be taken very seriously. In short, monomer liquids and polymer powders are matched pairs that should never be parted if the goal is to work safely. And that should be the goal of all nail professionals.